This is an enterprise growing along with the People's Republic of China. This is an enterprise rising or falling together with the people, carrying on an inherent mission of social sanitation security and public health. This is an enterprise born with innovative spirit, carrying out successful trials on the reform of the mixed ownership. Your health, our duty. We are Sinopharm. We, China National Pharmaceutical Group Corporation, Sinopharm, are a large-scale healthcare group directly managed by State-Owned Assets Supervision and Administration Commission of the State Council, with 720 subsidiaries and 6 listed companies. With the credo of caring for life, attending to health, Sinopharm has performed many miracles with rapid developments. In 2012, Sinopharm became the first Chinese pharmaceutical enterprise listed in Fortune Global 500. In 2015, the revenue was around 45 billion USD. The history of Sinopharm can be traced back to the year 1919. From then on, we have undertaken the social responsibility of disease prevention and have made great contributions for eradicating smallpox, polio, and some other infectious diseases in China. After years of exploration and development, Sinopharm has built up a comprehensive platform covering the entire healthcare industrial chain, including R&D, manufacture, logistics and distribution, retail chain, medical and other service, engineering design, and exhibitions, figured out a path to success and maturity. Sinopharm is lengthening its stride to become a leading pharmaceutical and healthcare group with strong international competences. For R&D, the core power lies in talents and technologies. With 2 academicians of Chinese Academy of Engineering and more than 2,700 scientists' efforts, Sinopharm plays a significant role in the industry. 7 state-level R&D institutes, 6 institutions for graduated training, 1 academicians service center, 2 academicians service station, and 8 postdoctoral stations have already become technical assurances for our R&D. With the joint efforts from Sinopharm staff, we have accomplished outstanding achievements in scientific innovation, won 19 National Scientific Invention Awards, 48 National Science and Technology Progress Awards, and 903 patents. With a strong industrialization capacity, Sinopharm transformed R&D achievements into real products to fulfill people's needs. Sinopharm has successfully built up biopharmaceuticals, chemical pharmaceuticals, modern TCM, as well as diagnostic reagents, respectively. As one of the world's largest vaccine manufacturers, Sinopharm produces 33 kinds of vaccines, including all listed in Chinese EPI program. Its products have been exported to India, South Korea, Thailand, Sri Lanka, and other countries, together with blood products, cell engineering products, immunomodulators, and vaccines. A large biological products family has been formed, constituting a safety barrier for public lives and health. Sinopharm is also manufacturing 1,700 kinds of chemical drugs, including psychotropic drugs, anti-infection drugs, oncology drugs, cardiovascular drugs, respiratory drugs, health preventives, and others, giving hope of cure to more patients. In traditional Chinese medicine field, Sinopharm has established an integrated health industry chain containing planting, R&D, production, and marketing. We are manufacturing 500 kinds of traditional medicines with 3 Chinese honored brands and 3 products listed as intangible cultural heritage. In line with international standards, our workshops and production lines have been certificated by US, EU, and WHO. We also produce immune and biochemical diagnostic reagents, widely used in clinical, drug research, and other fields, as a strong support of disease diagnosis. In order to deliver medical products to the patients in time, we established an advanced and efficient system for logistics, distribution, and retail. With the Chinese largest pharmaceutical and medical devices logistics and distribution network, consisted of 30 modern pharmaceutical logistics centers and more than 300 distribution centers, covering 200 cities at prefectural level and above in 31 provinces. Sinopharm has been offering quality service to nearly 15 million customers. Sinopharm has been exploring the new model of general health concept drugstore. There are 3,000 retail chain pharmacies under the brand name of Guoda, Jinxiang, Dedesheng, Tianyitang, and others over the country, bringing more convenience into the masses' daily life. As of now, Sinopharm has established 20 joint ventures with foreign renowned companies and broadened the cooperation on the basis of trading with more than 100 countries and regions. Through these efforts, the growing comprehensive healthcare industry become more mature in Sinopharm. We are clearly aware that the successful approach to comprehensive healthcare is not only based upon high-quality products, but also upon outstanding service. As the organizer for 19 branded healthcare exhibitions, which covering all links and subdivisions in the human health industrial chain, Sinopharm has built up a high-efficient platform for communication and exchange and driven the entire industry forward. Over 6,000 pharmaceutical and medical engineering projects designed by our engineers have been built at home and abroad. Through our academical journals and websites, the medical science and health culture have been spread widely. By investing in hospitals, we provide healthcare service to bigger population. Adhering the corporate credo of caring for life, attending to health, we have been guarding the public health security and people's health all the time. Whenever disaster happens, it is we who rush to the stricken areas and provide reliefs with our love for people at the first place. From eradicating smallpox in 1961 to the earthquake rescue and relief in Tangshan in 1976, Wenchuan in 2008, we put efforts to bring hopes to lives in the masses as we undertook. We worked hard to develop vaccines to contain the spread of influenza A. We provided medical supplies to West Africa for helping the locals to fight Ebola hemorrhagic fever. Behind these deeds of benevolence, it is the strong backbone of our nation, the deep affection for the country, and great responsibility and accountability to the entire human race. It is Sinopharm's staff's dedication which forged the honor and glory. For decades, we have written down our own stories here. The spirit of unremitting exploration and never give up leaves its print in our blood and life. Furthermore, we have handed the core value of Sinopharm from generation to generation. Our relentless pursuit of the commitment, caring for life, attending to health, will make us a world-leading pharmaceutical and healthcare company. We have made a pledge to dedicate ourselves to protect human health. In good health, we could make the world a better place. Your health, our duty. We are Sinopharm.